good afternoon, good morning, and good evening to everyone. I'm back. It's been a while. So we'll be doing another unboxing video. This time around it will be another Lenovo X1 Carbon laptop, but this time it will be for Gen 12. See, it's there we go. Okay, so I'm using our card knife to unbox this. See if I can just open this one up using my one hand. There we go. Okay. So as you can see, it's still very sealed. So unboxing. And similar to previous Lenovo versions, starting from Gen 9. If I'm not mistaken, they've been adopting this new environment-friendly packaging with their boxes. So same as it's 65 watts USB-C Thunderbolt charger with a UK pin and 3-prong. It's smaller this time. Smaller, 65 watts compared to my pen knife. So it's around 2.5 inches. The laptop. So it comes with this case, this charcoal bamboo casing. Case itself. There's an Lenovo Thinkpad logo. See, I don't know if you can see it from the video with a big X1 logo. As you can see, it has bamboo sugarcane fiber. You can see the bamboo. Wow, that's much more thin with all the documentations. Warranty, user guides, and everything inside all the documentations. Itself made up of wax paper. Be careful because the wax paper is really sliding. Oh wow, this is new. The X1 Carbons. Still made of this material. It's a matte black plasticky thing. On the side has one USB-C, two USB-C and one USB-A. On the other side there's a power button there. USB 35mm jack, USB-C, and HDMI. When I open, oh, it's really nice. You can easily open up the laptop with one hand. Okay. No buttons from here. No fingerprint. Oh, the fingerprint reader has a dedicated button now on the keyboard. Unlike other generation, it comes together with the power button, whereas a separate button on the case itself for the fingerprint reader. Still has its signature IBM red dot rubber for you to use instead of using the trackpad itself. Trackpad, it's more responsive at the bottom. Okay, it's actually touch sensitive. Buttons is okay. Keyboard. So the chiclet keyboard. So now it's with Intel Evo Edition. And going back to that, can actually like that like this. Okay. Now it has this slot or this notch and a built-in privacy switch for the camera. And form factor of the LCD itself is quite very big. Only a little margin on the sides this time. Now the logo itself is on the side. Next one, carbon. Unlike before, you can see it here. Some here. So there you go. That's a quick unboxing video of Lenovo X1 and Lenovo Thinkpad X1 Carbon Gen 12. So again everyone, bye.